I think this what I'm going to talk about up to now. I have wanted to talk briefly. Actually, a lot of time I need, but I'm going to make it very briefly with this stuff. I don't know how many people know about polyurethanes, especially absorbed polyurethanes. Polyurethane is a big business. There's over $100 billion business. It's 20 times bigger than the absorbable polymer stuff business. But most of them are commercial polyurethanes. Very little application on absorbed polyurethanes right now in medical applications. I wouldn't even think that even $100 million may be too much for absorbed polyurethane business. But we have developed absorbed polyurethane, which I want to share with you. So it's a simple chemistry. You need aromatic diisocyanate, aliphatic aromatic, have a chain extender and a polyol. So when they make the polymer, you can make hard segment and soft segment. People can make absorbable polymers by hydrolyzing soft segment, but hard segment is almost difficult to get broken up. So we have introduced the hydrolyzable hard segment based on my extensive knowledge in absorbable suture materials. We have taken that chemistry, incorporated into the hard segment, make it hydrolyzable hard segment. What we offer now is completely absorbable polyurethanes, and we have developed extensive list of products, FDA approved products, which I'm going to share with you. I want to show you the secret behind the developing absorbable polyurethane. MDI is the major component in polyurethanes, commercial polyurethanes. Do you know the MDI is over 10 million metric tons of MDI is manufactured commercially for polyurethanes. It creates over $45 billion business, commercial business and polyurethane business. But it's a very stable molecule. So what we have done is want to make something very similar to MDI, but is hydrolyzable, breakdown. So it reacts like an MDI, our monomers, and hydrolyze at a different hydrolysis profiles, just like sutures. You can make it 2 months absorption, 6 months absorption, or 3 years absorption based on what the links you put it in, the hydrolyzable link, just like suture chemistry. So we made several isocyanates. I want to share briefly how hydrolyzable this stuff. If you take a glycolic acid based link versus caprolactone based link, they're all same, exactly the same, only the hydrolyzable link is different. There's a 4-fold difference in hydrolysis profile. If you change the polyol, you can make hydrophilic versus hydrophilic. If you make PCl versus PEG, as you can see that PEG polymers are more hydrophilic. So you can introduce by this chemistry, by changing the polyols and the hydrolyzable monomers, you can make all kinds of biomedical polymers useful. We also tested the films and properties and compared with commercial absorbable polyurethane, which is equivalent, equivalent for commercial polyurethane. Now we have all this data. What good is it? Tell you, we have developed many products on this one. We licensed our absorbable technology to a company called Aberex. It was started this research in 2006, and we're still going on with this stuff. We licensed the technology to Aberex, and they introduced this product. They have 10 FDA-approved products, all for bone applications.